Want to play EA Sports FC 27 on your PC but don't know where to download it safely? Before you click any random website, watch this video. I'll show you the official way to download, install, and start playing FC 27 step by step, quickly, safely, and without any confusion. Let's get started. Now open your web browser, type Steam in the search bar, and click on the official link. Here's a critical warning. Always check for store.steampowered.com in the URL to avoid fake download sites. Click on the Install Steam button on the top right, then click the blue Download button to install the Steam client onto your PC. This is the most important step, so don't click any other buttons on the page. Open the Steam application, click on the Store search bar, type FC27, and select the game from the search results. Here's a quick heads up. Make sure you're typing FC27 and not FIFA 27, as the game name has changed. Scroll down on the store page, click Add to Cart, select View My Cart, and click Continue to Payment to complete your checkout details. Keep an eye on your email for the receipt confirmation. Once the purchase is complete, head over to your library or download section, where the game will begin downloading and installing automatically.